everyone. My name is Martin, your favorite business coach from Finance Oracle. I am here today to share with you tips that will help you to grow your business. It is for you to pay attention and listen carefully. You will realize that if you listen with the right mindset, which I term a rich mindset, then you're way too good to go. Well, today I'm going to be talking about how to get rich with OPM. How to get rich with other people's money. Last time I did a short on OPM, and today I want to expatiate it, and I would like you to listen and pay attention. Please, for those of you who have not subscribed, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. For those who have already subscribed, I'm saying a big thank you, and you're the reason why this channel is still growing. Do not forget to share this with your friends because it's going to help them a lot. Well, today, just like I said, we are looking at how to get rich with OPM. We all dream of financial freedom, but the journey of making money is always difficult, and it involves a lot of suffering, a lot of savings, a lot of hard work, a lot of effort, sweat, and all that. But what if I tell you today that there is a smarter way to do this without this level of difficulty? And that is what I want to share with you today. So welcome to how to make money with OPM, other people's money. I will share the secret strategies that Business Tycoon has been using for years. Congratulations to you, because you're getting this information free of charge. Well, what I've come to do here is to demystify the world of investment and show you the road to earn financial freedom. Are you ready to take control of your financial freedom? Sit back, open up your mind to possibilities, and let us embark on this transformative journey as we delve into the art of getting rich. Well, if you are enjoying this, or if you enjoy this as you go on, do not forget to comment OPM in the comments section, other people's money. Well, I will show you how to make money with other people's money. In doing so, I will evaluate how the poor and how the rich uses other people's money. Apologies if the word poor offends you. By the way, poverty is in the mind. It is not about not having money, but it is just the mindset. So if I say poor, it means those who are poor in the mind, and if I say rich, it means those who are rich in the mind. The poor ones use money to take care of their financial needs, but the rich ones use money to get richer by investing. And that is the difference within the poor and the rich. So you can see it's just a thing of the mindset. Well, let me tell you what happened to the poor. First scenario, once you're working and making a few hundreds of dollars, the next thing you think about is how to save money and get a car for yourselves. There are two reasons why you do this. Number one reason is, this is what people expect you. They feel like you're working, you've got some money, so you need to get a car. And reason number two is that you're doing it to shop. And reason number three is that you think you need a car, while you really do not need a car. So what you do is that you get some money, and you decide to take some loan, and you borrow this money. Once you borrow money, what you've gotten is OPM. You've gotten other people's money, because it's not your money, it's money you borrow from the bank, and it belongs to some other persons, okay? So what happened to you is that every month you're going to service your loan, and what do you do with the car? You run errands with the car, you spend some money on fuel, and you spend some money on maintenance and insurance. Of course, your car is going to be insured because you bought it with loan. Whenever you're buying a car with loan, you have to take a comprehensive insurance. So you realize that you're spending a lot of money maintaining this car, fueling it, running errands for yourself and your friends, because you've got a car. Your friend will say, come on, let's go to the mall. And you run out, to the mall with him, and you buy the fuel yourself. So you realize that every blessed day you spend money. And what happens? You get to work, you park this car for about 9 hours at work. You sleep, you park this car about 8 hours to 9 hours at home. So within 18 hours, this car is parked, and you barely use this car for 2 hours every day, and you're servicing loan. So you see, you spend a lot of money trying to take care of this car and trying to service loan. By the end of the loan tenure, you have paid over 2 times the value of this car. And this is exactly what the poor do. Now I'm going to paint another scenario of what rich people do, and I'm going to be using the same scenario of a car purchase. And let's see how the rich people do and what they think and how they do things differently that have made them rich and they keep getting richer. You know what happens? When a rich man starts working, he saves some money and he thinks he needs to get a car. And what he does is he takes some loan, just like the poor man, and he gets a car. And now he said to himself, okay, I have a car, how do I make money from this car? He said, okay, I'm going to partner with some leasing company. And he goes to some leasing company and he partner with them, and they lease his car, and for every proceed that comes from the car, he gives them commission for being the leasing company that does this. By the way, let me tell you, a lot of companies do this. They have their website, you just bring your car and they advertise it and lease it for you. Now, you know, I decided to make a research. I made a research, I realized that in Lagos, leasing of car per day ranges from 84 USD to $186 per day, an SUV. So let's take for an average that this rich man leases a car for 100 USD in a day. And let's assume that about 70% of the time his car got leased. It means that in a month he's making an average of 2,100 USD. And this is just by leasing the car. So if he should service the loan with 400 USD, he has 1,700 additional income in a month. That is outside his salary. With the money he gets, after building up for some months, he can actually approach a bank, and when they see his capacity, they say, okay, we can give you this amount of money. And he can loan more money, and he can buy 4 additional cars. So you can imagine, if he leases 5 cars at 1,700 USD profit in a month, he's going to be getting 8,500 USD of profit every month. So you can imagine how much he's making. This is how the rich get richer. And he can actually save up and decide to invest in a full rental company. So you can imagine in 7 years after accumulating funds, he's going to be worth above $1 million. This is what a rich man does differently that the poor man does not do. On the other hand, the poor man is going to take about 7 years to finish paying his loan, and that would have amount times 2 of the value of the car. And at the end of the day, the car depreciates and becomes liability. Now, option B, if the rich man decides not to go into a full leasing company, he can actually decide to continue to build up money, you know, and he's receiving about 8,500 every month as an average profit. So you can imagine. So if he builds up this for about 7 years, and if he invests this one in a kind of diversified index fund, after 7 years, he's going to be having about 860,000 USD as profit. So with 860,000 USD as profit, he can decide to invest it in bond, and at 7% interest rate, he's going to be making $5,000 every month. This is whether he decides to get out of the bed or not, whether he's in a coffee shop drinking or not. Without working, he's going to be making about 5,000 USD of profit every month. So what is the difference? The difference is that at first, the poor has a poor mindset and the second guy has a rich mindset. So it is important for you to reprogram your mindset. In one of my videos, I said reprogram your mindset, because this is the only way to get rich. If you decide to believe in impossibilities, everything about you will be cycled around impossibilities. But if you decide to believe in possibilities and how to explode and get things done, then success will be all that surrounds you. I am sharing this video today. I want you to stop thinking the way you think. Don't be stereotyped. Think about how to do things the other way around. Think like a billionaire, become a billionaire. Some of you that are watching this video will say, no, this is not possible. Some other guys will say, wow, this is such a wonderful opportunity. And those are the ones that in the next 3 years, they will ring my line and they say, thank you for this very video because it has changed my life. I hope you enjoy this video. Not just about enjoying it, I hope you will sit back and take control of your financial freedom. This is all what we have here to demystify how you can get rich. Congratulations for watching this video to the end. Good luck to you, and I hope to see you in the next echelon of life. Cheers.